A switch that is used to operate a lighting point is very important because it ensures that when we want the lights on, we switch it on, and when we want the light off, we switch it off. In our practical sessions, we try to understand the various methods of wiring in a very simple manner. By wiring these cables bare on the board, we ensure that we understand and help our students to understand deeply how these circuits are connected. When it comes to troubleshooting, we always have the digital multimeter to ensure that they learn properly. And also for the real works, let's say it is replacing or it is wiring, we ensure that everything is properly done. And of course, we ensure that electricity is off. Using a non-contact tester, we are able to tell that there is presence of voltage. Since we have turned off the MCB supplying the current, we are good to go. So my top boss, this is what we've removed. It's not looking that pleasant, and this is what we are having, right? Very, very new switch. Replace it, Margaret. The moment we have marked that, then we are safe, because those are the only two that can actually give us a challenge. Because for the switch that we will be connecting, for that case, which is a two-way switch, we definitely have it straightforward. This is what we have. So we have the L1, the L2, where we'll connect the strappers, and the remaining wire will be connected to the common. This is different from this switch that we have here, where we have the common and we only have the connection for that only. This other part is not connected any wire. We are using a one-way switch, one gang, to light up our bulb here. So I'll go ahead and connect. But before that, it is important for you to take note. This is how a one gang one way looks like. It is one gang because of that switching gear is only one. Sometimes there are two or three or four. And then here it is a one way because you only connect one way like that. You have the L common that is coming from the supply, and you have the L which is going to the bulb. Now, at the bulb holder, it is important for you to note that there are two categories of wires here. There are wires that are going to the switch, and there are wires that are incoming from the source. We have number one, the earth wire, we have the live, and we have the neutral represented by black. Now, for these two wires that are going to the switch, one will be connected to the live wire here, and the other one will go to the bulb holder. And now when it comes to the neutral, it will be connected to the bulb holder as well as the earth connection. So that is how this connection at the circular box will be. So we will first of all terminate this one. If you are getting value out of this video, kindly smash that like button. We have the incoming as well as the one going direct to the switch, like that. You could also have it going all the way to the switch without having a termination here, and then you tape it like that. So these three will go to the bulb, and then this one will remain inside just like so. So this one will connect the neutral to the bulb holder, will connect this half to the bulb holder as well as this earth connection. It's also important to note that the wire that is used for lighting is either 1.5 or 1.0 millimeter square. That is the cross-sectional area of the wire. So connect it like that. For me, I've chosen to start with connecting the switches. So this is the L common, where I connect the wire from the source or the supply, and then the L that is going to my bulb, I connect there. So this is a one-way switch, one gang. and when you press there on the downside, it will be lighting the bulb. There are sometimes you find that someone has screwed this switch opposite like that, and so it means that when you switch on the bulb, it will be switching on the upper side, which is not a good standard, which is not the practice that we follow. It has to light the bulb at the downward position. So when installing it, you ensure that you screw it like that, so that you don't switch on the bulb from that position, but you switch on from that position and switch off at that position. This bulb holder is referred to as a pin type bulb holder. It has three main connections. We have the earth connection, the neutral, and the phase connection, or the live connection. So we will connect our earthing on this one, we will connect our live on this one, and our neutral on this one. So we have our earth connection connected. We go to the neutral, connect it. Remember, the wire has to be a quality wire with a quality insulation. When screwing, also, it is important to ensure that the screws do not screw the insulation, but only screw the wire part. And you make sure that you screw properly or tightly, so that this is a mechanically and electrically sound wire. Then after that, we ensure that we insert all the wires there, so that we leave a provision in case there will be repairs in future and the wires might be reduced. The more the wires that you leave inside there, the better it will be for the electrician who might come to do any maintenance there. So we have our holder like that. Electrical installation is very simple. In fact, one of the things that you need to understand when it comes to electrical is safety, and also some of the features that are applied when it comes to the subject, which is safety. For instance, the bulb holders, the switches, the MCBs. I don't know if you have been following me. For now, you understand these concepts properly, don't you? So now I am done and the bulb is working perfectly. Now, if you are a do-it-yourself enthusiast, you can go ahead and connect as many bulbs as you wish and have fun while at it. If you are a student, this is a great video that can help you perfect your skills and become better at this electrical field. And also, if you are practicing, I wish you all the best. Remember, we have three earth rods immersed to the ground right here. We tested the earth connection, and so we are going to connect it here. Right, so we will loop these. I talk boss, we have done more practical videos. Click on either of these two and continue enjoying more that we have done. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our coming episodes. Goodbye for now.